Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase influencer partnerships with Instagram, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your target audience clearly. Identify the niche that aligns with your brand and resonates with your audience. Research potential influencers who fit within that niche. Look for influencers who have engaged audiences, not just high follower counts. Analyze their recent content to determine if their style matches your brand's values. Reach out to influencers with a personalized message. Make sure to highlight why you want to collaborate with them specifically. Offer clear value in your proposition, such as financial compensation or product exchanges. Be transparent about your goals and expectations for the partnership. Follow up if you don't get a response, but do so respectfully. Once you establish a connection, propose ideas for collaboration. Encourage influencers to bring their own creative input to the partnership. Provide them with products or services that are relevant to their audience. Utilize Instagram stories and posts for organic promotion during the collaboration. Ensure that both you and the influencer promote the content on your channels. Monitor engagement metrics to gauge the success of the partnership. Adjust your strategy based on feedback and performance data. Continue building relationships with successful influencers for ongoing collaboration opportunities. Keep the communication lines open for future projects. Stay updated on changes in Instagram's algorithms and trending content styles to remain relevant. By systematically enhancing your influencer partnerships, you'll be better positioned to maximize your brand's reach on Instagram. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.